I truly do love the opportunity to work in community home lending. Our vision statement at First Merchants is to enhance the financial wellness of the diverse communities that we serve. And I really believe that aligns so closely with what I get to do every day and what our department does every day.
My role is making sure that our company is meeting the needs of our communities by virtue of the products and services we offer, that we understand the needs of the community. So if you look at where we have placed some of our newer banking centers, they're located in what's traditionally known as banking deserts because they do face some financial barriers. And so if any area within our city is suffering, we all suffer.
Oftentimes, the clients that we meet with are starting their journey to financial wellness, so we get to go even deeper in fulfilling our vision. Oftentimes, the people that we work with think they can't purchase a home, so our team comes alongside. Hand in hand, we walk them through that process and help them achieve that dream.
This branch was built in 2024. We came into the community in order to be able to serve the market of this community, to promote home ownership, to help individuals become homeowners. I think it brings more confidence. They feel more trust with us being in the community because I look like the community. It means a lot to me, because if not for me, sometimes I feel like they wouldn't have a chance. We are always working together to go out and make sure that all of our resources is being brought to the community as a whole.
Getting a home is the American dream. Sometimes it's intimidating walking through the bank doors. You're truly getting the guy next door when you come to First Merchants Bank, whether it's myself, someone on my team, or someone in a different department. A client success story that really hits home is a gentleman in his mid-40s kind of came and said, "Sean, I don't believe, I was ever going to purchase a house. No one in my family has ever purchased a house before." It really hit home with me when we got him through closing. A few tears were shed, obviously a big hug, but then several months later, getting pictures where he was around a Christmas tree with his kids and said like, "Hey, look, this is reality, and this is reality because you teamed up with me and made this happen." So that's the kind of stuff that is really meaningful in our position.
That's when you know you are not working a job. I bring people hope, that bring their dreams alive, make them a reality. So it's more than just a role. I actually consider it my ministry. This is what I was called to do, for sure.
This branch is in the heart of the community that we serve, and the centrally located, accessible to anyone, so it serves a community that we want to reach. There's a need here to improve the wealth and to educate individuals on how to improve themselves. I think when people can do better for themselves, it does have an impact on everyone else because there's a sense of security. You have more goals and you want to do more and do better.
Once you're my customer for life. So when I say that to you, yeah, for some people it's daunting as far as what do I do, how do I do? But I've done families of, I did the mother, she sends the son, she sends the daughter. I'm doing some people like that now. So I feel like I've become a part of the family. And that's important because I feel like if you were unsure at first, you're not unsure once you say, "We got somebody in the family that does that. Call her." No, I'm not gonna stop until I help you accomplish what you came for.
Community home lending really does benefit our communities. We have stories of people who have gone from homelessness to home ownership. We're creating stability. We're creating generational wealth. This is a home that may potentially be passed down to children and children's children.
If you multiply that out over the course of time into families, creating generational wealth that gets passed down with the ownership of a home, and then you multiply that out throughout the block, then you're lifting the neighborhood, you're lifting the community, you're lifting the city.